Okay, I have with me head coach Jamie Stevens. Coach, great game tonight. To speak a little on today's performance.
You know, I thought guys played well. We were fortunate. I thought that, Anchorage did miss a lot of shots, and they had some good looks. But, part of that was our defense, and part of it was, we were fortunate that they did miss some shots. But overall, we had a game plan. We wanted to run them off that three-point line as much as possible, and I thought we did that. And, we did enough offensively to get the win. So a good win, a good bounce-back win, especially after that defeat at Western Oregon that was tough.
Okay, and you're right in the heart of league play, and you have Fairbanks coming into the house next. Just speak a little on what you have to work on going forward.
Well, it's a whole different team. It's not quite the three-point shooters that we saw tonight. They got a little bit more size, play a little bit more conventional. So we're going to have to change some things up defensively. But, we're at home, and our emphasis right now is finish the weekend. We've had 2 straight weekends where we won Thursday and we've come in Saturday and we just haven't played well. We played well at Western, we just didn't finish the job. We just did not play well here at Nazarene. So our message is pretty simple. We're going to try to finish the weekend and go out Saturday and do that.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.